Welcome to culinarydishes.com. Today we are going to cook together chicken soup. But it's not going to be like any other chicken soup with classical pasta. We are going to make chicken soup with East European traditional noodles. It's some kind of noodles. In this region they are called frecații. I couldn't find a word to translate this in English, so let's call them East European pasta. For this recipe we are going to need chicken soup mix. I'm going to use 2 pieces of back chicken and 2 necks. For the vegetables I have 1 bell pepper red, 1 onion, 1 piece of celery, this big, 3 carrots, parsley root and a piece of parsnip like this. And we are going to use some peas. For the pasta we are going to use 300 grams of flour, 3 spoons of cream, 2 eggs, some salt and some pepper. The first thing we need to do is to put the chicken to boil in a pot. We have this pot here, it has about 5 liters. I forgot to mention earlier, our recipe and the quantities are going to make soup for 6 persons. So we are going to fill this pot like half with water. We are going to add the chicken, our onion, full, and some salt. As you can see, I've put my chicken, the onion and the salt on the stove. We are going to let it heat for about 10 minutes until it makes that foam over it that we are going to remove each time it makes the foam. I'm going to put this lid on. I'm not going to cover it, all of it, I'm just going to leave some space here and just leave it here for about 10 minutes. After we've put the chicken to boil, we are going to cut our vegetables. I'm going to start with the bell pepper that I'm going to cut into strips. This. Now we are going to cut the carrot into small pieces, small round pieces like this. Now we are going to cut the celery into small pieces. Now we are going to cut the parsnips like this in bigger pieces. To finish with the vegetables, we are going to cut the parsley root with a smaller piece, so just like this. And we are going to add it over our vegetables. After we finish chopping all our vegetables, we are going to add the peas. We are going to add all these vegetables over our boiling chicken. After the 10 minutes have passed, it's time to get the foam of the chicken. We are going to use a slotted spoon and we are just going to take this. It didn't make very much foam, it's just on the sides of the pot, but it's better if you remove it. After our chicken has boiled, it's time to add all our vegetables here. After we've added all our vegetables, we are just going to mix it very well and let it boil for another 30 minutes. Our soup is almost ready, the vegetables are totally boiled, and now it's time to make our special traditional pasta. First of all, we are going to mix the eggs together. After we've mixed the eggs, it's time to add salt and pepper. Just a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of pepper after your taste. After we've mixed the eggs with salt and pepper, it's time to add the cream over our eggs. After we've mixed very well our eggs and the cream, it's time to add flour. Just a little bit at a time. I've added 2 spoons of flour. Our mixture is still too thin. If your mixture is thin, you just add some more flour. I've added 2 spoons. If your mixture is too thick, you just add some more milk or some water. Your mixture has to be like pancake mix, so just a little bit thicker. Our mixture is done. It has to be this thick, you see. In order to get it this thick, I've added 6 spoons of flour. So we've added 2 eggs, 2 whole eggs, 3 spoons of cream and 6 spoons of flour, salt and pepper. After our mixture is ready, you are going to use a bag like this one here. In order to make the best fricassee ever, as I've said, they are Eastern Europe's traditional pasta. We are going to put the mixture in this bag, and I've cut a little hole here so it drains. After we've put our mixture in this bag, you see we have our cutted corner here. We are going to put it slowly in our soup. After we finish pouring all our mixture in the soup, you can mix it very well. As you can see, our pasta fricassee is already kind of done. It's harder. We mix it very well and we let it boil for about 5 minutes with the lid on. Until our soup finishes boiling, we are going to cut our celery leaves very small. As you can see, our soup is done. We took it off the stove, and now it's time to put our fresh minced celery leaves. It's very important to put them after you took the pot over the stove, because if you don't do it like this, your veggie is going to lose all its nutritious ingredients. So just take it and put it over it. Our chicken soup with fricassee, our traditional Eastern Europe pasta, is done. We hope you like it and that you are going to watch some more of our recipes. Bye bye!